here. The gas still walk up and down?
Don't worry, Patsy. Me I deal with it.
Well, if you that deal with it the way me tell you how to deal with it, you still wouldn't deal with it.
But don't take advice from people. I may just deal with it my way.
Alright, Frank Sinatra. Go and deal with it your way. I mean, it's my way, but I get a girl kicking her throat. By the way, which I look a pretty and pussy and boy there. My name? Ricardo.
Patsy, him gone to school and his name is Ricardo.
Ricardo. Same difference.
So Patsy, you have anything you want to tell me? Can you know people business, you know?
Well, since as you must know, my second girl last night, boy, caught me up
Patsy,
Patsy,
TMI.
Yeah, girl, too much intercourse. I said this morning, could I walk? I'm going to say the boy.
Patsy, alright.
Mm.
I never that more I ask you. You know, like any family members we never see before?
What Christian is saying?
You know, say you find your father and attack him your business. Him just make you know it's a good thing.
Yeah, it's a good thing. Because now I have two daddy, my second girl.
Patsy, me no want to know about that. Me no want to know about your sex life. Me just want to know how it feels to have your father around.
Well, honestly, feelings are all over the place in the first part. But then, after a while, I get to know him, realize him cool, meet him family. I kind of just, start adjusting them little thing there. My problem, though, is my mother. Because she know, I don't really know how to deal with that. Like, I like to my whole life, you know what I mean? So now, but I know.
Tell me about it. Because I won't just come back in my life.
Hold on. Wait there. You know what I'm saying, mother did there? So she know who she is? A Lazarus, huh? No, I'm love. Come talk about one else to me. When you really think about it, hey, woman, no for life still, you know? Hey, woman, I know. But I still feel like certain things just nothing lie about. Like your pitney, you can't lie about pitney history. You can't lie about pitney family. Nothing. None of them something you're supposed to lie about.
And when them done, them are clean to do it.
To protect you. Tell me about it, my love. So, how does that go with you and your mother now? I'm outside?
Yeah, she come look for me a couple times. But I just can't give in. I go and wait before I throw myself to her.
What your mother name?
She named
Maureen.
Patsy, how you know that?
Look at me. I know say young Christian. I know him tell you who my father be. And if you tell you who my father be, that means you must know certain things. Only thing I'll tell you is this. Some people, so when they come in your life, you see them come on you and you have a good feeling, listen to your gut. You hear? Anyway, just want to get ready till tomorrow. I left my purse. One. Make herb I'm gonna keep them in front here. And I'll send this to my flavor. Make tickets. Bye!
Bye, Patsy.
Hello, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Damn phone to ear.
I believe in your soul. I know we need each other. I know our love is strong. We're still riding down this road. Ooh, my love, I can feel you in my bones. this is real. I hear your voice too close. Oh, this feeling grows.
That's it.
That can do for now till I come here the right way. And please visit the barber.
Definitely. Thanks. I'm going to visit the barber and thing. So may I go up now? Talk to you tomorrow?
So what am I to later?
Oh yeah. We'll call you later. Alright?
Coming
Alright.
home, it feels like coming home.